Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4 Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech.
This week, we'd like to give a special shout out to our #1 fan, Bill Jensen. This one's for you.
Thanks for your support. So, what are we learning about today?
We are learning about an extension on Chrome called Insert Learning.
What's an extension on Chrome?
So you have to go to the Chrome Web Store.
Yeah.
And then you can search Insert Learning, and then once you add it to Chrome, it's going to show up as one of these little tiles up along the top.
Oh, look, there it is. Insert Learning.
That's it right there.
Very cool. Okay. Yeah. So, in terms of UDL and kind of what it does, what does it do?
So once you click it, it'll pop up with a little toolbar on the left-hand side, and you can use it to take notes and videos and all kinds of things inside a web page to make it more interactive for your students.
Oh, so it can make it more engaging.
Yes.
Can you assess?
Yes.
Oh, you can do some action and expression. And can you coach them?
Yeah, so you can do videos and things, and then all of this paired with your Read Write Google extension, which everyone already has. The kids can have it read to them, translated. The possibilities are endless with these two put together, working hand in hand.
All right, so here are the tools. One is an assigned tool. I'm listed as a teacher. I have a classroom set up.
Yeah.
So you'll have that. Another one is highlighting tool. So I could click this and it will highlight it. This doesn't necessarily stay for the students, but the students can also have that highlighting tool. Yeah. And you can change the color on it. So there are different color options, and you can add a comment. So
very cool. Very descriptive.
Yes. So then there's also this sticky note option that is just like a sticky note, or would be. So if you go down,
sticky.
Yeah, to here, you can put and if you look here, you can put images, YouTube links, you can embed codes.
Very cool.
So there's lots that you can put.
So this is where we were talking about. You could put a video in of yourself.
Or maybe even a link to something else out there.
Yeah, to give more information.
Very good. So female lions are the primary hunters. Then you can also, again, like Delaney said, click that video and it'll access your webcam and you could drop a video in there. So that's awesome. That's pretty unique as well. And then we'll go down and add a question. And again, you kind of highlight it per paragraph here. So let's do this one.
A very nice question.
Oh, mortality rate.
What is the mortality rate of cubs?
Let's just do lions. So we'll click that there, and then again, as you want to check in to make sure students are reading it, you can pop in as many questions as you want. And then there's also a discussion, which would be a little bit more collaboration.
Oh, perfect. What can you do to help?
Oh, very good. So what would you like to do? And you can create that. So those are the options in terms of having to make this page more, accessible and interactive for students. And you can click this more options. You can assign it to students once you set up a class, and there's a code for students to get in, but they do have to have the extension. We've made sure that students and teachers are able to get it. You can share it with other teachers, edit. There is a paid version, so you actually are only limited to 5 at a time. So that is kind of a limitation. And then let's go to the dashboard here, and then what you'll see is that the lion is already here with a couple other ones. The classes are up here, so there's the code, that IBB5, if you wanted students to join the class, and that'll prompt them when they click in here. It'll actually ask you if you're a teacher or student. They just click student and put in that code. You can put some statistics for your class if you want. This is just kind of grade level, thing like that. And then to assign it, you can go from here and assign it to a class, or you can just pop this link, put it in its learning, and it will pop up. As long as they have the extension, again, the students need to make sure they have it to get that order, and then edit info and obviously delete. So like this one's taking up one of your lessons already, so you can delete that. But if you use websites a lot and want to make it more interactive and more engaging, more UDL friendly, then this is a great tool.
Absolutely. Okay. Have a happy Friday.
See ya.